Well, hello there, D-Techies. This is Tyler with D-Tech, and today we're going to go through how to create a Windows 10 ISO file. First thing you want to do is download the Media Creation tool. I will put the link to the Media Creation tool in the description below. Once you have that downloaded, wherever you downloaded it is go ahead and run the application. Now that the application is running, it's getting a few items set up. You need to accept the terms and conditions for Microsoft to be able to install or create this bootable USB or ISO image. Make sure you deselect the upgrade this PC now or select the create installation media, USB, DVD, ISO. Click next. Now what I like to do is uncheck the use recommended options for this PC. For the architecture, instead of just 64-bit, I like to include both. So if you're carrying around this USB or ISO on a CD or thumb drive, you can install it on anybody's computer as long as you have a valid Windows CD key. When you're creating an ISO file, you just want to select the ISO ratio box. Click next. Then a dialog box will come up and you will want to save it to any location where you can access it later. Once you have the location selected, go ahead and name it whatever you would like or whatever is memorable. I typically name it like Windows 10 and then I put in parentheses 32-bit and 64-bit. Just so I know exactly what's on this ISO file. Go ahead and click save, and now your Windows Media Creation tool is going to do its preparations. It's going to actually download everything. Now once it's finished, you can go to the file where you saved it, and then you should be able to see your ISO file. This ISO file again can be burned to a DVD or copied into multiple USB drives. That is how you create a Windows 10 installation ISO. I will leave a link in the description or in the middle of the screen that you can click on right here that will have another video on how to copy an ISO to multiple USB drives so you don't have to go through that whole process again. Thank you for watching D-Tech. This is Tyler. Go ahead and like this video if it works for you, and leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions or issues, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.